Welcome back. Sankalp Amonkar has demanded that government should provide high security number plates containing electronic chips free of cost to the people. He says that government's plan to implement high security number plates without electronic chips would not provide any security to the people. He says that implementation of HSRP without having electronic chips needs to be scrapped.
आणि हे जे नंबर प्लेट इश्यू आसा तेच्या लागून जे आमचे हेजिटेशन आसतले टू स्क्रॅप HSRP हे कंटिन्यू आसतले आणि परत आमी हे SRP आसा ते स्क्रॅप करपाक लागून आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन डिमांड करतले. हाय सिक्युरिटी नंबर प्लेट तेजे भितर एक चीप आसा ते कंपल्सरी आसूंक जाय आणि आख्खे ऑल ओवर इंडिया हिमाचल प्रदेश आसा थंयसर तेंचो एक सेटअप जावपाचो आसलेलो ते चीप विथ सॅटेलायट कित्याक तो सेटअप आसतलो आनी सॅटेलायटा वरसून तुका ऑल ओवर इंडिया जो सेटअप आसपाचो हिमाचल प्रदेशान असो तेंचो सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो तेंचो गव्हर्मेंटाचो डिसिजन आसलेलें आनी तेजेर तुका ऑल ओवर इंडिया जितले हाय सिक्युरिटी नंबर प्लेट आसतली जशे फॉरेन कंट्रीन चीप आसता गाडी खंयसरूय गेली कोणान चोरी गेली बाबा तुजी गाडी खंय आसा कितें आसा हेजेर सगळें तुका डिटेल मेळटा तेज्या लागून तुका पयलीं सेटअप जाव इट इज मोर दॅन 300 करोडाचो रॅकेट आसा जे गव्हर्मेंटाचे भितर आनी हे कंपनीचे भितर जे डिलिंग जाल्लेले आसा तेज्या लागून तेंचो इंट्रस्ट इतलोच आसा गव्हर्मेंटाक खंयच्या तरी कंपनीक दिवन हे युनिफॉर्म नंबर प्लेट ही इंट्रोड्यूस करपाची. एक्चुअली इट इज गव्हर्मेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हे एक्चुअली आमी बेर करप ना लोकांनी बेर करप ना एक लोकांक गव्हर्मेंटान फॅसिलिटी दिवंक जाय बाबा हे चीप घालून नंबर प्लेट आमी तुमकां प्रोवायड करता गव्हर्मेंट शूड टेक दॅट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी गव्हर्मेंटान शूड प्रोवायड दीस ऑफ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट टू द पीपल तेंच्यान तांकां चार्ज करप नासता हेजेर इट इज अ सेफ्टी ऑफ द पीपल रायट ऑफ द पीपल जे आमचे SNBन कितें एश्युरन्स मेळटा कितें आसा तेजे वरसून आमी मागीर फुडले स्टेप घेवन आमी फुडें वयतले.
A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agyar, with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Fatarda MLA Vijay Sardesai has demanded suspension of Madgaon SDPO. He claims that the SDPO has issued illegal order to demolish a religious structure in his constituency. Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane has also demanded inquiry in the matter. However, Revenue Minister Francisco D'Souza has asked to put up this matter on the right forum.
You have kept up a policy which is kept for suggestions and objections up to the 30th of June. 30th of June मेरेंदर तुझी policy open आशिल्ली 29th of May तुवें order कशी दिली. So this is clearly at the political backing of somebody. I am aware of what it is. It's my constituency. And I want to see what is the action the government wants to take on this, or whether the government does not consider communalism or communal hatred to be a serious issue in Goa.
Deputy Collector जे order तर चुकल्या जाल्यार appeal घाल म्हणून higher authority हा न्हू तेका appeal घालून आनी correct करून घेवनी.
Deputy Collector extends his brief. He is giving illegal instructions. He is giving instructions to the Margao Town Police to file contempt proceedings of a Supreme Court order. This is a clear misinterpretation of the Supreme Court order. Supreme Court order does not pertain to private tenanted fields. कितले ऑफिसरांक सस्पेंड केला कम्युनल नेचर तुम्ही फॉर्मेट करतात म्हणून हो इश्यू तातून कितें आयना यू सेट try to show that the minority community that voted for this government is also reassured. Suspend the officer.
See, Honorable Minister can give an assurance that he will inquire into the thing. Inquire and find out why such a illegal action was taken by the officer.
There are appellate authorities. For what are they? To consider the appeals.
The appellate authority can go up to Supreme Court.
Yeah,
and
that is
man
true.
would never get justice.
That's the framework of the law. What can I do? You tell me.
You can
I take
inquire
shortcut.
as a elected representative.
I cannot take shortcuts, please.
Yeah,
No,
sorry.
you can talk.
Yeah, please.
धर्मांक भितर हाडपाची गरज ना कंप्लेन करपी कॅथलीक आहा पुलीस बांदतलोय कॅथलिकूच आहा आनी उत्तर दितलोय कॅथलिकूच आहा.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The busiest highway of Mapsa Panji had bore a pothole in the middle of the road, creating danger to the commuters. The huge pothole was a menace to the commuters. However, late evening on Thursday, the pothole was filled by the concerned authorities. Have a look.
ही जी आता जी नॅशनल हायवे म्हापसा पणजे हायवेक जी ल्हानशी एक दुर्घटना जाल्लेली आसा ती जर रातची समज जालेली म्हणजे अरावंड ऑफिस आवर्स म्हणजे सुटले तेन्ना जाल्यार हांगा एक व्हडलो अपघात जावंक शकतालो जो करून कोणा फुडल्या मनशाक कळतना आसलो सडनली वॉट इज हॅपन ऑन द रोड नॅशनल हायवे आनी ही दुर्घटना जर जाल्लेली रातची सुमार म्हणजे स 6:30 वक्ता जाल्यार कोण ना कोण तरी एक्सिडंट शिवले हांगा 100% कोण ना कोण तरी मरतलो आसलो आनी म्हणटा जाल्यार आमकां कांय खबर ना, हे आमचे हितून नासले, आमकां कांय खबर नासलें आनी आतां सगळे अधिकारी येवन धांवपळ चालू आसा, हेका फोन मारता तेका फोन मारता, रे बाबा हे करपाक जाय ते करपाक, हे तशें करूप ना बाबा, फुड्यान कोणी तरी रावन तें काम करून घेवपाक जाय पर्टिक्युलर इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट जावन नाल्यार आनी कोण आसा जे पर्टिक्युलर जे आसा.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent Media. Now look at the other events in the state.
Small family, happy family. Directorate of Health Services and the Urban Health Center Margaon organized district level observance of World Population Day with a student rally at Gogol Margaon. This rally was to create awareness about rising population.
Every year we are holding a rally to make the people aware about the dangers of the rising world population. We suffer in all ways because of this rising population. Limited land space, limited jobs, limited resources, natural resources, and so many other problems.
Janta High School at Mapsa celebrated its Golden Jubilee on Wednesday. Urban Development Minister and Mapsa MLA Francis D'Souza was the chief guest. Educationist Narayan Desai was the guest of honor. President of the school Jagannath Madrekar, students, ex-students and others were present for the function. Salah Yashasvi Hoya, a program centered for children, was organized by the Lokmat, a Marathi news daily. Rajesh Tambe was the main speaker. Tambe highlighted the relationship of parents and children.
आपल्या मुलांच्या अडचणी समजून घेणं आणि मुलाला शिकवणं नाही तर मुलासोबत शिकण्याच्या पद्धती शिकणं याबाबत मी पालकांशी बोलणार आहे. त्या कार्यक्रमाचं माझं नाव आहे मुलांचा अभ्यास आणि पालक.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.